When I tell people that we're living in a camper while we build our own house, the biggest response I get is, I could never do that. And oftentimes I'm thinking, you probably could. Today I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what it's like self-building a house. The first thing is that we spend a lot of time together. We work together, we play together, and we live in a very small space together. This has taught us so much about our family, ourselves, and how we can love each other better. If you can't get along and do small projects together, you shouldn't build a house. And if you can't live together in a big house, don't move into a camper. Anyone who's lived in a camper or RV knows that the outdoors is really where you spend most of your life. That's why so many people love it. It also means that weather has never been so important. In the winter, we're always watching for freezing temps to keep everything warm and thawed out. In spring, we're on guard about high winds and tornadoes. Summertime, we're fighting bugs and keeping things cooled off. Living in a camper can be tough, but if you have an outdoor space you love, and we do, it can make up for a lot of those camper struggles. So if you're worried about your kids having a small space in a camper, just remember, this is really their playground. So what's it really like? It's hard. This is one of the hardest things we have ever done, but the work is worth it. No self-built project or family dynamic looks exactly the same, which means that there is no rule book for this. We had no clue what we were getting into when we started this. We were dedicated to our family and this new adventure. The rest we figured out along the way. Conventional, convenient, these are words that our life is so far from right now. From how we cook meals or do laundry to how we spend our Saturdays and, oh yeah, this job that we do every week. Not every day is perfect and lovely because life isn't always perfect and lovely, but we are learning to enjoy life every day with our family, and we can't wait to see where this adventure takes us next.